Hey everybody, my name is Caroline from Team GCM, and today we're going to be making a DIY lava lamp. This activity is quick, easy, fun. Let's get started. What you're going to need is a container half filled with water, make sure the top is open, any kind of oil, effervescent tablets, food coloring, and a stirring utensil. Our first step is to pour our oil into our container of water. And what is the oil doing? That's right, it's not mixing with the water. This is because water is a polar molecule and oil is a non-polar molecule. No matter how hard we try, we won't be able to get these two to mix together. Now let's add our food coloring. So you can tell that our food coloring is also a polar molecule because it's mixing with our water. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of red food coloring to create a distinct level between the oil and the water. And now, the fun part. Drop your effervescent tablet into your container of colored water and oil and watch and observe what's happening to the container now that the tablet has been introduced. That's a really good observation. It's bubbling everywhere, right? The tablet is letting off gas, and it's disturbing the colored water and pushing it into our oil mixture to look like a lava lamp. And at this point you can tell that my lava lamp is starting to settle down. The tablet is completely gone, it's dissolved, the gas has been pushed out of the top of the container. If you would like to try this experiment again, just drop another tablet in there. And that's how to make a DIY lava lamp. Really simple, really fun. Thank you so much for having me. Have a great rest of your day.